Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Tipm in a Dodge Ram 1500. A faulty Tipm can cause many frustrating electrical problems, from non-working lights to engine starting issues. Understanding its function is key to a successful replacement. We will guide you through each step, ensuring a smooth process. Remember, safety first, always disconnect your vehicle's battery before touching any electrical components. Let's get started. Before diving in, ensure you have all your tools ready, including a 10mm wrench for the battery terminals and a flathead screwdriver. Next, locate your vehicle's battery, usually under the hood. Disconnect the negative battery cable first, then the positive, to prevent any electrical shorts. Now, find the Tipm, typically on the passenger side of the engine bay. Carefully unclip its cover and remove any securing bolts or clips holding it in place. With the old Tipm unsecured, it's time for removal. Take your time and carefully unlatch each electrical connector, ensuring you don't damage any wires or clips. There can be many, so be methodical. Once all connectors are free, gently lift the old unit straight up and out. Now, carefully place your new Tipm into the mounting tray. Reconnect all the electrical connectors, ensuring each one clicks securely into place. Almost there. Once the new Tipm is fully connected, secure it back into its mounting tray with the bolts or clips you removed earlier. Replace the Tipm cover to protect it from the elements. Now, head back to the battery. Reconnect the positive cable first, then the negative cable. Finally, start your Dodge Ram 1500 and thoroughly test all electrical components like lights, wipers, and power windows to confirm everything works correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.